Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 4. The heading is Cat Facts. We will study about these cats. Alright, so first we will see number 1. The first year of a cat's life is equal to the first 15 years of a human life. Each year of a cat's life is equal to about 7 human years. Here, the life of a cat is compared with the human life. In terms of development, the first year of a cat's life is equal to the first 15 years of a human life. After its second year, a cat is 25 in human years, and then after that each year of a cat's life is equal to about 7 human years. Isn't it? Good. Number 2. Cats can rotate their ears to 180 degrees. Means they can rotate their ears to 180 degrees. Isn't it? Very good. Number 3. The hearing power of the average cat is at least 5 times keener than that of a human adult. Means cat has got the hearing power at least 5 times keener than a human adult. Isn't it? Good. Number 4. In cat breeds, the average male weighs approximately 20 pounds. What is the meaning of breeds? Breeds means to produce young ones, to produce young animals. Alright? Then, what is the meaning of pounds? Pounds means making a lot of noise or noisy step in a particular direction. Alright? Good. Number 5. Domestic cats spend about 70% of the day sleeping and 15% of the day grooming. Here, what is the meaning of grooming? Grooming means to clean or to look after an animal by brushing, etc. Here we can say to groom a cat. Isn't it? Number 6. A cat cannot see directly under its nose. Means directly they can't see under its nose. Number 7. Most cats have no eyelashes. Means mostly they have no eyelashes. Alright? Good. Number 8. Cats have 5 toes on each of the front paw, but only 4 of the back ones. What is the meaning of paw? Paw means the foot of animals such as dogs, cats, bears, etc. Isn't it? Number 9. Some believe that if you dream about a white cat, good luck will follow. Means, if you believe and dream about a white cat, good luck will happen in your life or good luck will follow. Isn't it? Good. Number 10. Meowing is not an innate cat language. It developed to communicate with humans. They don't have innate language, but they try to communicate with humans. Isn't it? Good. Number 11. Cats conserve energy by sleeping for an average of 13 to 14 hours a day. What is the meaning of conserve? Conserve means to avoid wasting something. I repeat, conserve means to avoid wasting something. Isn't it? Good. Number 12. Cats have flexible bodies and teeth adapted for hunting small animals such as mice and rats. So, they have got flexible bodies means easily they can bend or move, as well as they have got sharp teeth for hunting small animals such as mice and rats. Isn't it? Good. So, kindly learn this chapter. Alright? Good. Next, chapter 5, we'll study knowledge bank. Alright? So first of all, we'll study or we will learn about tortoise. What is tortoise? Alright? Good. The tortoise have a shell to protect from predation and other threats. The shell in tortoises is generally hard and like other members of the suborder Cryptodira means hidden neck, they retract their necks and heads directly backwards into the shell to protect themselves. Isn't it? So, the shell of a tortoise is made up of 60 bones, all connected together. They have been on the earth for more than 200 million years. Isn't it? So, the shell of a tortoise is made up of how many bones? 60 bones. How many bones? 60 bones. Isn't it? And they all are connected nicely together. They are connected together. Isn't it? They have been on the earth for more than 200 million years. Isn't it? Good. Next we will study about cow. Cows are the most common type of domestic animals. Isn't it? Good. A cow has a great sense of smell. It is able to detect scents up to 5 or 6 miles away. So, cows have got a great sense of smell. They can find out, they can notice, they can discover the scents from 5 or 6 miles away. Isn't it? Very good. Next we will study about goat. Alright? Good. So goat is one of the oldest domesticated species of animal and has been used for milk, meat and skins. Across much of the world, milk from goats is often turned into goat cheese. Isn't it? Good. A goat is not only a skilled swimmer, it can also climb on trees and walk on a log as smartly as a circus high wire performer. Isn't it? So, goats are not only skilled swimmers, but they can climb on trees and walk on a log smartly as a circus high wire performer. Alright. Next we will learn about chickens. Alright. The chicken is a type of domesticated fawn, a subspecies of the red jungle fawn. Isn't it? Chickens are one of the most common and widespread domestic animals. Humans keep chickens primarily as a source of food, consuming both their meat and eggs, and less commonly as pets. Originally raised for cockfighting or for special ceremonies. Isn't it? Good. So chickens wash themselves with dust and not with water, and clean their feathers with their beaks. So chickens wash themselves not with water, but they wash themselves with dust and clean their feathers with their beaks. Isn't it? Good. Next, we will learn about zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats. So they have white striped coats, isn't it? There are 3 extant species. The first is Gravis zebra, second is plains zebra, and third is mountain zebra. Isn't it? Good. A zebra is a very fast runner. It can run up to 65 miles per hour and even outrun a lion in the forest. So, zebra can run away fast. Per hour they can run up to 65 miles and even outrun a lion in the forest. Isn't it? Good. So, please learn this chapter. Alright? See you soon in the next video. Thank you.